First, we need to determine the scenario description. The vessel is from 11 degrees 27.5 minutes north, 124 degrees 52.0 minutes east, bound to 13 degrees 32.5 minutes north, to 124 degrees 16.0 minutes east. Second, we need to translate symbols or abbreviations along the track from 11 degrees 27.5 minutes north and 124 degrees 52.0 minutes east to 11 degrees 28.0 minutes north and 124 degrees 48.0 minutes east within the 5 nautical miles radius. And based on what I've sold, the answer that I get is leading light if I 3 15 seconds to 9 miles. Next is from 11 degrees 28.0 minutes north and 134 degrees 48.0 minutes east to 12 degrees 22.0 minutes north and 134 degrees 14.0 minutes east within the top 5 nautical miles radius. And I get leading light if I 3 15 seconds to 9 miles and leading light if I 5 seconds. And another for P hazards or obstructions, rock awash at the level of chart the tomb and rocky area, submarine cables and shallow waters. Next track is from 12 degrees 22.0 minutes north and 134 degrees 14.0 minutes east to 12 degrees 28.0 minutes north and 134 degrees 12.0 minutes east within the 5 nautical miles radius. And I get the answer of leading light and a hazard obstruction of submarine cables overfall, tide nips, and races. Next track is from 12 degrees 28.0 minutes north, 124 degrees 12.0 minutes east to 13 degrees 10.8 minutes north and 124 degrees 17.5 minutes east within the 5 nautical miles radius also. And my answer for this one is the significance of all-around light generally for offshore navigation and leading light and or the visibility of multicolored charts and safety fairway. And lastly is the track from 13 degrees 10.8 minutes north and 124 degrees 17.5 minutes east to 13 degrees 30.0 minutes north and 124 degrees 18.5 minutes east within the 5 nautical mile radius also. And I get the leading light are of visibility on multicolored charts and with a hazard or obstruction of shallow waters and rocky area. What is your idea about tides?
Okay, good day. So we talk about tides. So what is tides? We all know that tide is an alternating rising and falling of the sea, usually twice in each lunar day or at a particular place, and due to the Earth attraction to the moon and sun. And on the other hand, we all know that tide is the regular upward and downward movement of the level of the ocean or the sea that is caused by the pull of the sun and the moon and the earth. So, there is about 7-day interval between springs and nips. So, first is the spring tide. Spring tide is the when the sun and moon on the same side, which is 0 degrees. And second is the nip tide. Nip tide, which is the sun and moon at the same time with the 90 degrees. And the third is the spring tide, which is the sun and moon at the opposite sides of 180 degrees. And fourth is the nip tide, which is sun and moon at 270 degrees. And lastly is the spring tide, which is sun and moon at the same side which is the cycle restarts.